announcing the grand finale, Parivartan 2026. Under the visionary leadership of our founder-president, Shri Shripad Kulkarni, BBNG is committed to transforming the Brahman community from job seekers to job givers, from employees to empowered entrepreneurs, and establishing ourselves as one of the strongest business communities in the nation. BBNG proudly hosted the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Devendraji Fadnavis, who appreciated the work done by the organization. Parivartan, the largest annual congregation of Brahman entrepreneurs, brings together business leaders from all across the world, creating powerful opportunities for networking, collaboration, and cross-industry growth. From the last few editions of Parivartan, we've been fortunate to have speakers such as Shri Devendraji Fadnavis, Shrimati Gitanjali Kirloskar, Shri Dhananjay Datar, Shri Sunil Devdhar, Shri Chaitanya Maharaj Deglurkar, and many other eminent personalities. Welcome to Parivartan 2026, the grand 10th edition, a milestone celebration to be held in the vibrant city of Pune. Pune, a city deeply rooted in centuries of history, a thriving blend of culture, education, technology, manufacturing, defense, and Maharashtra's rich traditions and cuisine. Well connected and accessible from every corner of the state, Pune stands as a powerful business hub, a perfect destination for this landmark event. As a strategic powerhouse in BBNG's growth, Pune region has emerged as the largest contributor in membership, chapters, and business transactions. And now, to be held at Tip Top International, Pune, on 14th and 15th February 2026. Eminent personalities like Shri Vitthal Kamath, Sau Kanchan Nitin Gadkari, Dr. Medha Kulkarni, and many others are invited to Parivartan. Their presence will elevate the prestige of the event and become a major source of inspiration for all participants. At Parivartan 2026, you will experience focused one-to-one conclave that will provide the opportunity to present your business in front of 250 plus industry leaders and decision makers. B2B tables will help direct interaction with collaborators, vendors, suppliers, and solution partners. The BBNG Women's Wing will showcase the remarkable achievements of women entrepreneurs and honor inspiring women. Engage in fireside chats with stalwarts and draw inspiration from their success journeys. Learn the secrets of business growth, innovation, and strategy from industry experts in panel discussions. Discover tools and insights that will accelerate your business through training and knowledge sessions. Parivartan 2026 is a convergence of knowledge, skills, collaboration, and community growth. You will get a chance to hear from distinguished speakers and explore golden opportunities to meet 1,500 plus Brahman entrepreneurs, professionals, and freelancers from across the world. This is an event you simply cannot miss, a celebration that you must be a part of. Skill up, share, showcase, and succeed. Hurry now. Register before the seats fill up.
लक्षात घ्या, BBNG ही जगातली सर्वात मोठी ब्राह्मण उद्योजकांची संस्था आहे. इतकी ऑर्गनाइज्ड संस्था दुसरी नाही आणि म्हणून आपण या आणि सामील व्हा. धन्यवाद.